Here's a sneak peek of how the Pocket Tripod Pro is made. It all starts with producing carbon fiber panels that are perfectly flat. A high-precision CNC machine then cuts the panels and creates the skeletons that give the Pocket Tripod Pro its rigidity. After the cut parts are inspected and cleaned, they're sent to the injection molding factory. There, an operator places them inside of a mold where plastic flows around them to create components that later become part of the assembly. Each Pocket Tripod Pro is an assembly of 6 components, which are made through injection molding in a similar way. After the components are visually inspected, they're sent to the assembly line, where teams of operators create the final product. Once the adapters are installed, the product is tested for proper function and then sent to packaging before it's shipped.
Imagine an iPhone stand that could hold your iPhone at any angle without obstructing the screen. Imagine being able to do this in both landscape and in portrait. Now imagine having it with you whenever you need it, because it could transform to the shape of a credit card and fit inside your wallet or purse. Luckily, this is a real thing, and it's called the Pocket Tripod.